Is Sling down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Sling right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here on this chart, many people are reported some problems at Sling. Right now there are over 2,000 reports, and if you scroll down you will see some comments from people who are also complaining with Sling right now. I already went to Twitter and searched for Sling down. And if you do that, if you go to latest, you will see that people are really complaining here. And the channels are down. So if you do have issues with Sling right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, with your questions, if it's still down, if it's now working, and I will make sure to respond to them as quickly as possible. If this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.